Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. All you gotta do is click the link down below and see what other items they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. And they'll ship this to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is the weekend, and we got a special unboxing coming from Bada Boom. Bada Boom. Ceymour. This is a trial camera, CY50. Be your reliable while detecting buddy. Alright. We got right here time-lapse video 2.0 built-in LCD, IP66 waterproof, 36 pieces IR LED. Something in there. I already opened it, so we'll take a look at this right here. And then right here is the buttons. Here's the camera. We got menu right here, if you guys can see it. Up, down, okay, and mode. Right here is batteries. So you're gonna pop it out. This is what it looks like. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8 batteries you're gonna need. And then there's the camera, USB right there. And they got the USB cover for the waterproof. Here's the back of it. Really nice memory card slot right there. Might be the camera right there. And there's there's where you mount it. So we'll put the batteries in right about now. And here's a goodie box that came with the mounting kits and stuff like that. So we'll show you guys like this right here. But I'm not sure I'm going to set it up yet, so we're just going to do the whole, troubleshooting and figuring it out, how to set it up. But outside, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. I got so many cameras out there now. It's like Fort Knox. Here's a strap to strap it onto like a tree. Be perfect for like sheds, storage units, especially on a farm. You got a lot of property. You might, if you got property like up north, like for us in Michigan, it's up north. This would be a perfect camera to have out there. You can always go back to it in your sand boogie, and then switch out the memory card, pop it in your computer, and then upload the videos. So good strap right here, and then make sure you stack up on your batteries. And we're gonna put the batteries in right now. Hopefully that won't take too long. I can get them all out in one shot deal. That'll be great. So here we go, guys. But definitely check them out, and if, like I said, see what other items they have to offer besides this one. But I'm sure you're gonna like this one. It'll be a nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody, even yourself, to protect your home. There's nothing wrong with that. Extra security is always good, especially these times. A little crazy out now, but always get a few second advantage beforehand, Just never know sometimes, especially with the holidays fast approaching, 99 days. And this year will be over soon, so hang in tight, guys. It's almost over. Here we go. We got this locked and loaded. Got the Amazon brand batteries. They're really good too. So, and then just pop it in. There we go. Oops. There we go. There's where the mounting goes. I showed you open. Aha. Hopefully it doesn't show me. Whoa. Yeah, see memory card. I don't have a memory card. I need to stock up. Well, it tells the temperature too. 86 degrees out. It is hot out there. Oop, there I am. I need a haircut. And the camera is really clear. You guys can see. Yeah, that's cool. There's the LED light. Let's lock it up. Bada boom. Look at that. Is it sensors? Oh yeah. If I'll record like a screenshot. And when you're done, just grab it. Pop in the USB or the USB cable right there. Plug it into your computer and upload. Unless you got one of those memory card slots. You can just pop it into your computer doing that way. Yeah, that's really nice. And let's check the mode. Oops. Menu. Off. There we go. Alright, cool. Everything works perfectly. Like I said, you guys could get them right now. And check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. And see you guys soon. Really cool though. Nice camouflage. Look at that. Bam. Alright, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good one.